got to drive more by more when I'm balling out. Goals in my name, no red, you call out. Come and jump in the sand, though. Don't try to see if you really got them love handles. Or we can keep it broken all night like a band do. Come and holler at me, we could go get candles.
Solo Relajate.
And I know you feel the chill, think about it, babe.
Solo Relajate.
Chill, walk right away.
Solo Relajate. Hi guys, so today it has been a rough day, but that's for a whole other vlog. Today I have my MacBook Air that finally arrived. My MacBook Pro was a 2015 and I was really shocked because Apple has the 2013 listed as vintage now, but the issue was my MacBook Pro kept powering off, and so I had to get something new. It was no longer under warranty and it was showing its age, but it more than served its purpose. I was really churning out a lot of high quality videos and songs off of my 2015 MacBook Pro. I'm really gonna miss it, but I'm excited for the MacBook Air. This is the new model that I'll be unboxing today, the 2020, and it has it has 16 gigabytes of RAM. I got that instead of the 8 gigabytes. Don't quote me on RAM, but unified memory, that's what it's called, unified memory. Then it's got the 256 of SSD, and it also has the 8 core, and it also has the M1 chip. So I'm really excited to see if it's gonna have the speed that I need. I won't be editing any videos on here or doing any of that kind of stuff, but I will be unboxing for you guys. So it looks like the way Apple hasn't really done too much as far as the design, comes off kind of plainish. So if you guys saw it on my Instagram, if you follow me on Instagram, it wasn't anything too fancy. So hopefully I don't get interrupted by children. So this is it, guys. Ooh, I like the color, and unfortunately the way that my camera is set up, I don't think you guys can see that it's actually rose gold pink. My camera is showing it as just gold, which is really interesting. It's not as small as I thought, but this is the rose gold color. It's just, for whatever reason, my camera is showing it as gold, which is kind of funny because as I'm looking at it, it looks pink. It looks like they've taken the light off, which is really visible. You can see that they've taken the light off of this thing. It comes with the charger, that looks like. What is this? Yeah, it looks like that new USB type cord. I forget what it's called. It would help if I read the content. Then this is probably, which is this? Yeah, this is the universal, yeah, the MagSafe charger. So, and that's the cord to the MagSafe charger. I'd imagine that that's what it's still called. There we go. designed by Apple in California. Okay, so I'm gonna put this down and try to power this on. Hopefully it has a charge. Wow. Oh yeah, it does. So it powered right on, right out of the package, guys. I might try to. So there we go. I'm gonna pick my language in English there. It's responding. United States. Gonna continue. Just going through accessibility. I don't have any accessibility issues, so not now. It wants to connect to my Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna do that. Let's see if I remember my password. Gonna have to blank this out. Kind of slow, which means maybe I made an error. Try again. Let me try again. I always forget this. All right, so we're all set up with that. Oh, transfer to this mat, time machine, or another startup disk. I never used time machine and I kind of regret it. Oh, it's already telling me to connect to. How though? That's crazy. It's running low on AC power. Select a Mac. I don't want to do that right now. Not now. But it will ask you. So it asks for your Mac ID. That Mac's done, so I don't know. Let me get you guys a better view of the screen. We're just going on through here and gonna continue with the prompts. Red, and I agree. I don't know what the server error was. It should not be one. Oh, it's making me do a new password. I don't like that. Keyboard reminds me a little bit of my Pro, so I like that. Yeah, it is reminding me a little bit of my Pro. It's quiet. That's one thing I've noticed about it so far. It's very, very quiet. Yes, it's very quiet, guys. It's still cool. I know some people said this thing overheats, but that's why to opt for more memory and yeah, just opt for more memory in the 8-core, which I think the 8-core is standard now with the brand new MacBook Air 2020. It's working to set up the iCloud, so this is taking a little bit longer than I would think it would take to do a task like this so far. But this is configuration. It's not as bad as Windows when Windows would configure back in the day. Looks like an iCloud keychain. I'm gonna set that up later. I do find the cloud to be useful, but things happen, you know, so I don't know. Oh, find my Mac. They're not gonna find that. The thing can't even stay powered on long enough to be found. I am just going to continue. Express setup. Gonna continue. Is it really worth it to share the app data? I don't know. I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a whirl. Screen time. I will set up that later. I don't really care about screen time. iCloud analytics. I don't really want to do that. I'm going to go ahead and continue. Siri, huh? Enable Ask Siri. That's pretty cool feature on here. I'm gonna go. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? This is cool. Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Hey Siri is ready. And wouldn't you know it? Not now. I won't share now. My camera battery is going low. I don't want to... File vault disk encryption. Continue. I'll set up touch. Set up Touch ID, huh? Set up Touch ID. Wow, that's cool. I will probably set up the Touch ID later, as this seems to be oh, it's ready. Wow, this is amazing. My father would have loved this. I'll set up that later. I prefer a light look. We'll try light for now. True tone. I'll continue. Wow, this has a lot of things going on with it. I don't really mind true tone display for now. Oh, I really hate that my battery's going low, but here we are on the screen. Just have this generic thing going on, and so that will conclude the unboxing, guys. I'm gonna play with it for a little while and kind of learn the new features and everything and see what's new with it. If I find anything interesting, I'll come back to you guys. I'm probably definitely gonna change the background, but I'll come back to you guys later with some features and some cool things that I find in the new MacBook Pro, MacBook Air. Anyways, guys, this has been the unboxing of my 2020 MacBook Air in rose gold. Catch you guys next time. Bye.